Hey guys, and welcome to this video. For the next minute or so, it's just going to be a recap from the last video I posted. We took this kitchen, it had broken doors, broken shelves, and it was generally in pretty bad shape. And I'm going to be showing you guys the process of repainting and refinishing all of the cabinets. So this is where I ended at the previous video. I had finished everything except for installing the drawers, which I couldn't figure out, so I had to hire somebody. Alright, so the contractor just finished up. He finished installing the drawers. I couldn't figure out how to do it, so I had to call him, but I'll show you. They're soft close. Smash it. For the next step, I'm going to be using this contact paper that I just got, and I'm going to be putting it in the bottom of the drawers. So when you pull it out, you see that. So here we go. Right now we're going to be putting in this design contact paper in here. So we're going to be measuring it and cutting it to size so we can put it in there.
Is that all the way at the end?
Wait.
Yeah, it's almost the whole thing. Oh, that's cool. It's this exact line.
That's There we go. We got the first one in. It was a little harder than I would have expected. Here it is. I think it looks pretty good. See with the front. This one went a lot better than the first one.
Could also consume garden veggies. Wow, so he's a real problem.
Yeah, he is. Alright, we got them all cut. We just finished putting in all of the paper in the drawers, and it looks really good with the color of the cabinets. And these are the other ones over here.
Pick up trash, don't let it stay. Clean up every single day. Paper, plastic, separate. Recycling's great, let's not wait. Clean up time, let's all do. Keep our world shiny and new. Recycle here, don't delay.
The kitchen is officially all done. This is the final result. I'm really happy with how it came out. I think it really lifted the whole kitchen. So. Alright, so to finish this video, I just wanted to wrap up all of the costs that I spent with this kitchen. So the first one were handles. I bought 25 of these handles here, and each were $4.93. So that added up to $123.25. And then for all of the hinges I got for the doors, I had to buy 4 packs of 10, and those were $56.57 each. So that was $226.28. And then for the drawers, I bought soft close slides, and I had to buy 7 of those for the 7 drawers, and those are each $20.87. So that equaled out to $146.09. And then the little installation kit I got for to drill the new cabinet hinges, that was $13.93 with just like the little installation kit. And then to install the drawers, I paid a handyman $350. And then for the cabinet paint, it was pretty expensive. I got it at Sherwin-Williams. It was $120.49. And then the plastic to wrap the cabinets I did in the first video was $13.09. The new hood that I bought was $199. And then miscellaneous costs, just for little odds and ends that I bought throughout the project, was $38.73. And then this is the total down here. So thank you guys for watching. I really enjoyed this video. I think it's the best outcome I've had so far, even if I did have a few hiccups. But thank you guys for watching, and make sure you subscribe.